building services. So my degree is in architectural engineering, which is kind of a broad brush of all of the engineering services that go into a building. So we focus on mechanical systems, lighting, electrical, even some structural engineering. But generally everything is geared towards how to make a building the best, most efficient, and overall basically habitable for people to live. So I've been involved in about 10 different hospital projects here in the region. It's been as small as 50 beds and up to 750 beds. Different specialty centers, different types of clinics and so forth. Really all geared towards providing a really unique experience for the patient, especially in this region. So the biggest challenge that the hospital faces is that there are so many different things that go into how it operates, and it's not just something that we can just take apart and try to reduce energy here and there. I mean, one of the principal things that we look for as energy engineers is trying to find ways to turn things off, to reduce power, and that's always the easiest thing, is to say, okay, what can we turn off to reduce, to make sure it's not consuming energy at any given point. Really, for a hospital, we don't have that luxury. So there are certain systems, there are pressure regimes that we have to maintain for the HVAC systems. There's minimum temperature requirements that we have to maintain for the plumbing systems. All these things come together to have to continually operate to make sure that the hospital continues to run, and really to ensure that the hospital maintains its number one function, which is to maintain patient safety. So what we see for hospitals is that there's really a wide range in terms of energy use intensity. There's the factors can be as much as 4 or 5 from some of the different studies we've looked at. And even so much as we notice the energy use intensity here is even greater, just because the temperature outside is so much more great. Really, when it gets to be 45 or 47 in the summertime, the amount of fresh air that we have to bring in the building and condition it and treat it and maintain those things adds up quite a bit to the overall energy consumption. Now that's one small part of it. There's a lot of other things that go into that matrix, but there's quite a few things that we try to look at to find ways that we can reduce energy in the long run, because we know, certainly as a benchmark, that there's much more energy available that we can reduce to try to make these hospitals run at their peak performance. So my role at Taka Solutions is engineering director. So this is a relatively new position for us here. And what we've found is that as we've grown as a company and taken on more clients and more projects, we've really seen the need to kind of specialize each part of the process as we go through from beginning to end. So as these processes get a little more specialized, we've kind of created individual departments to run these processes. And my job is to just oversee each of these departments, ensuring really that we still maintain our primary objectives, which is to give a quality service and deliver energy the right way.